We've got personal injury attorney Ken Riley. He's here to take a look at one of your email questions. And tonight's question comes from Orson. And Orson writes into us saying that I got rear-ended at a red light. I felt fine at the scene, so I declined treatment from the EMTs. But a day later or so, my neck really started bothering me. Is it too late for me to report this injury? So, Ken, have you heard that sort of thing before?
You know, that's usually what happens. So I would tell Orson not to sweat it. I would, for sure, report as soon as you can to the insurance carrier, your insurance carrier, and just let them know what happened. You'll eventually file a claim with the offending carrier. But the main thing is, just because you don't go to the emergency room, you know, a lot of people choose not to go to the emergency room via ambulance because your health insurance doesn't pick up all the cost of an ambulance. And those ambulance rides these days can be pretty expensive. So what I would suggest to you is you don't have to go to the emergency room, but I would if your neck or back or whatever it is continues to give you problems. You know, usually the first day you're kind of shaking up, second day you're having some little tightness, third day is really the worst day. So then after that, if you're still having some trouble, go see your primary care physician, or if you see an orthopedic for some reason, go see your orthopedic. But don't get caught up in feeling like you have to go to the emergency room right after an accident. Actually, very few people do, so I think you're in good shape, and hopefully you won't have to go and get any treatment, but if you do, get your treatment, take your treatment course along, and eventually you'll be ready to settle with the insurance company.